Every day, tons of people are on Instagram. This makes it a key spot for businesses and individuals to grow their audience, add more followers, and even make money. However, increasing your Instagram followers and then selling your account can be both long and hard, especially if you don't have the right tools or plans. The good news is, thanks to new technology, there are strong tools that help make getting more Instagram followers simpler and quicker. For example, there's an Instagram account that has gathered 1.1 million followers just by posting art. There's also another art account that shows off super real AI paintings and has earned 1 million followers. You might be curious about how these amazing artworks were made. You'd be even more shocked to learn that these accounts are making a ton of money, either by selling their accounts or through affiliate marketing. No matter which way you go, you're set to make good money. So, let me guide you on how to make your Instagram account popular. Ready to catch the latest trends in your area of interest? Just go to the search bar and type in what you're into, like photography, to find lots of cool ideas. Who's the top dog on Instagram in your area? Which accounts are getting noticed because of their cool usernames and posts? Have a look and get your creativity going. What do you need to make AI images? Hold on, there's more to it. Accounts focused on photography do really well on Instagram. You can also promote your account as an AI artist who makes detailed and special AI art. But my advice? Go for an account about landscape photography. If you're stuck for ideas, you can always ask me, ChatGPT, for some popular Instagram topics. Don't forget the search bar is your key to doing well. So, what's your special interest? What gets you excited? Type those words into the search bar and see what Instagram has to offer. You never know what cool stuff you'll find as you look through usernames and posts that match what you're into. After you pick a niche, create a new Instagram account. Then come to ChatGPT and ask for a cool but easy-to-remember username. After that, ask me for a catchy Instagram bio. The ideas you get might sound a bit stiff, so feel free to tweak them based on what you like and what you found out. For your profile pics and other posts, we'll use Playground AI. Like I always say, it's one of the top image makers out there. And the best part? It's totally free. No points or credits are needed. It has lots of cool features like taking out the background, making the image bigger, fixing up the image, and letting you pick different sizes. First, you've got to create an account on Playground to start using it. After you've set it up, you'll land on the home page where you can see all the images other users have made. You can search for specific kinds of pictures in the community feed. Like I typed realistic landscapes and saw all the landscape art that came up. If you find something you like, click on it. It'll show you the settings used to make that image. The best part? You can copy the idea from there for your own pictures. If you want to add more to the image, just download it and use the image-to-image feature. To start making your image, click on Create. These are filters. They set your image's style. I chose Realistic Vision 2 inches because I want my pictures to look like real photos. Now, you type your prompt. I wanted pictures of Sweden's landscape at a peaceful sunset, so I typed that in and clicked Generate. Playground quickly gave me some really great images. If you don't want mountains in your image, you can use the Exclude Image option. Just turn it on and type mountains. The pictures that came out had no mountains in them. Right under the Exclude Image option is the image-to-image feature I mentioned before. Click the plus sign to upload a picture you like. When you click Generate, new pictures will be based on your upload. Here's an example. You'll see AI models next. Playground gives you 4 to pick from until you're happy. Below that are image sizes. You have 6 choices. Last is prompt guidance. This controls how closely the AI follows your prompt. Don't set it too high or the quality drops. Stay between 7 to 10. Go lower and you might get something unrelated. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see options for how many images you get with each click. Usually 4 is a solid pick because it gives you lots of options each time. If you like a picture but want some tweaks, just hover your mouse over it and click the logo. This will make different versions of that image for you. Thanks to these features, you can make as many images as you like, from famous landmarks to the 7 wonders and even beautiful sunrises. Oh, and make sure to create a nice profile pic. Once you've got enough posts, you can start putting them up on Instagram on the regular. For your post captions, ChatGPT can help. Just tell it what your post is about and ask for catchy lines. But the real game changer for your account is hashtags. Picking the right ones can be hard, so I've got a free tool to make it easy. Go to tagsfinder.com, type in basic keywords like Sweden, landscape, or photography, and it'll give you tags that fit your post. But be careful. Don't use too many unrelated tags. It can do more harm than good. To boost your Instagram, you need to be super active. That means not just posting, but also adding stories, answering every comment in your DMs, and following other accounts. These steps help you build a good reputation and get more followers. Now, you might be wondering what to do next. Well, it's pretty straightforward. Think of your Instagram account as something you can sell. There are websites like InstaSale or Socialtradia where you can list your account for sale. Just check out some of the accounts already up for sale and you'll get a good idea of what yours could be worth. This art account that sells AI-created NFTs has 17,000 followers and is priced at $350 on Socialtradia. Then there's another account with nearly 200,000 followers going for $1,800 on InstaSale. But selling your account isn't the only way to make money. You can also use your Instagram as either a product to sell or a tool for affiliate marketing. The first step is to go to a specific website and pick a product that fits your chosen niche. Since we're talking about art, you'd look for things like paints, brushes, and palettes. There's even a button to sort by the most sold items. But remember, Digistore24 mainly offers digital stuff like audiobooks, so make sure to also look for digital art-related products. Next up, grab the affiliate link for the item you've chosen. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a percentage. This is your commission for each sale. After this, just head over to a URL shortening website like Bitly to make that long affiliate link more user-friendly. Once that's done, paste this newly shortened link into your Instagram bio. Your main goal now? Get as many clicks on that link as you can. And even better, get people to actually buy the product. To achieve this, start posting content that you believe will resonate with your audience. This could be eye-catching posts, engaging reels, or interactive stories. The idea is to actively engage and persuade your audience through whatever form of content you choose. Think of it this way. Treat your followers like they're your close friends. Keep up the consistency and just watch the magic unfold. Great job. You're now on the path to having a successful Instagram account that could bring in some steady cash. Quick tip before we wrap up this video. Really care about what you're posting, and everything will just get way better. Now, let's go over what we've covered. Use Playground AI for making art, start sharing it on Instagram, choose between selling your account or doing affiliate marketing, enjoy the extra money, and don't forget step 5. Hit that subscribe button if you're looking for the easiest ways to make money, and drop a comment if you've got any questions. Catch you later.